Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup your storybook builds for sharing, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To backup your storybook builds for sharing, start by locating your project directory. Inside your storybook project, navigate to the build folder. This folder contains all the output files necessary for your storybook. Next, open your terminal or command prompt. Ensure you have the required permissions to access the folder. Use the command tar czvf storybookbackup.tar.gz build / to create a compressed backup file. This command bundles the build directory into a .tar.gz file. It helps save disk space and keeps everything organized. Once the command finishes executing, verify the backup file in your project directory. You should see the storybookbackup.tar.gz file. To share the backup, upload this file to a cloud storage service or a file sharing platform. You can also attach it directly to an email if it's under the size limits. If you need to restore your storybook, simply download the .tar.gz file to your desired location. Use the command tar xzvf storybookbackup.tar.gz to extract the files. This will recreate the build directory structure for your storybook project. You're now ready to share your storybook builds effortlessly. That's a quick guide on backing up your storybook builds for sharing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.